How to fix Twitch delay problem on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitch delay on Android phone. First, open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again. Now type here Twitch, click on it and here click permissions. Now allow all of those permissions here. If you want to allow it, just click on it and click allow, and after that go back and click draw over other apps. And now this one, make sure it's disabled. Maybe you'll find it like that, then just disable it. And after that click storage and click clear cache and click force stop. Now just go back, restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.